of people looking for you. Where's your brother?
Friend's house, sleeping.
Got to get him back.
I know.
But I'd probably get another lawyer if I were you. Because, I'm pretty fucking shit all round, you know?
Yeah, you're shit. But you're my shit, okay?
I'm the only defence lawyer I know with a 100% conviction rate.
Oh, jeez.
They're going to put you in jail, James. What's eating you? What are you rebelling against?
What have you got?
There you go, you see, you're too fucking smart for most people. They don't even know you're quoting Marlon Brando, do they?
You're pretty sharp yourself, actually, for saying you're a shit lawyer.
Well, it's easier, isn't it? Blaming all your shit on everyone else. Well, come on, then. Why don't you tell me something that you have done, that you did, all by your shitty little self?
That's you. Stole my best friend's girlfriend, just because I could. And I fucked her mate, best mate, multiple times, man, just because I could.
It's chicken feed, James.
Huh?
What is this, Oprah? Tell me something fucking worthwhile. Come on, you dick!
Just wanted to fucking crack someone.
What?
He just... Freddie, man. I couldn't stand the way that she was fucking looking at him. And I was thinking, why does everybody get to piss on me? Everybody always fucking pisses on me. My fucking mum. My dad is a fucking toss-up. And no one gives a shit. Everyone's just out for them fucking selves.
Grow up.
No one gives a shit.
So fucking what?
I fucking smashed the shit out of that kid. I fucking kicked the shit out of him and I fucking enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, okay?
That's pretty good.
Duncan,
Yeah, kid.
something else. Right, the kid was pestering me, man. She kept on asking me for MDMA.
Sophia?
Yeah. Yeah, so eventually, I just gave her some, just to shut her up more than anything. And then I didn't see her again until she fell off the balcony.
Do you want a lawyer here, James?
No, that's fine. No, he knows what I'm telling you.
Nobody else was involved.
Nope, nobody but me.
Been up to much?
Oh, you know.
I bet it's all action. Ballroom dancing in the morning, followed by a gin rummy tournament and bumming in the showers.
Yeah, I can barely sit.
We're coming to your trial thing tomorrow.
We?
Yeah, Freddie's road sick.
I bet he is. Probably scared I'm gonna get off and steal his woman again.
I love him, Cook. That's what I came to say.
How is the love?
It's a bit of a head fuck, to be honest. Not simple. I know you'd understand that. I'm giving it a go. That's what I always loved about you, Cook. You're brave.
Beth, did you tell JJ? No. You care.
I don't.
Yeah. It's a good job this ain't no win, no fee, otherwise you'd be fucked.
James Cook.
What are you doing here?
I bunked to school. I don't give a shit. I want to watch.
Listen, you gotta be a big man for me now, okay? And you just sit there for us and wait, yeah? You can't come in.
I'm sat over there.
Tell him to piss off. Tell him you didn't do anything.
And how do you plead?
Guilty.
Mr. Cook, you wasted a lot of our time. Bail has been a disaster. Your mother says she's unable to control your behavior and she is unwilling to accept you back into the family home. Do you understand? So I'm afraid a custodial sentence is inevitable. In any case, I'm told there may be other charges. However, since you wisely changed your plea, I'm going to remand you into custody for report. You should expect to be there for several months. And James, while you're there, I strongly advise you to behave yourself. Sentence set for 2 weeks from today. Take him down.
Cook, no, what's happening? What's happening, Cook? Tell him to piss off.
Don't touch me.
No swear.
Your fucking hands off us. Boy, come on.
What the fuck are you doing?